friends, we are now looking at the only question given in past exams. Bills of exchange में past exam questions में एक question दिया है. We are solving that question. On 1st January 2018, Akshay draws two bills of exchange for 16,000 and 25,000. Akshay is drawing two bills. Bill of exchange for 16,000 is for 2 months, while bill of exchange for 25,000 is for 3 months. These bills were accepted by Vishal. On 4th March, Vishal requests Akshay to renew the first bill. So first bill is getting dishonored. It is replaced with a new bill along with interest at 15% for 2 months. Akshay agreed to this proposal. On 25th March, Vishal retires the acceptance for 25,000. 25,000 मतलब second bill. Second bill उसने retire कर दिया है, ड्यू डेट के पहले पे कर दिया है. The interest or discount being rupees 250 before due date of renewed bill. Vishal becomes insolvent and only 50 paisa and a rupee could be recovered. हमको journal entries pass करना in books of Akshay. तो in books of Akshay, first entry will be on 1st January 2018. 1st January 2018. He is drawing two bills. हम उसको नाम दे देंगे. Bills receivable number 1 16,000 का है. Bills receivable number 2, that bill is of rupees 25,000 to Vishal's account. He is drawing two bills. Bills receivable 1 and bills receivable 2. ड्यू डेट दोनों बिल का क्या होगा? ड्यू डेट दोनों बिल का क्या होगा? इधर फोकस. ड्यू डेट दोनों बिल का क्या होगा? Bill receivable number 1, that bill is of 2 months. So 1st January plus 2 months, 1st March plus 3 days of grace, 4th of March. And bill receivable number 2, उसका due date 4th of April. 4th March and 4th of April. Now, these bills were accepted by Vishal. 4th मार्च को फर्स्ट बिल वॉज डिसऑनर्ड. तो नेक्स्ट एंट्री हम सीधा 4th मार्च को करेंगे. 4th ऑफ मार्च फर्स्ट बिल गॉट डिसऑनर्ड, तो उसका रिवर्स एंट्री करेंगे. विशाल अगेन विल बी मेड आर डेटर. विशाल अकाउंट डेबिट टू बिल्स रिसीवेबल. फर्स्ट बिल गॉट डिसऑनर्ड. क्योंकि फर्स्ट बिल डिसऑनर हो गया है, हम विशाल पे एक नया बिल ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं अलॉन्ग विद इंटरेस्ट एट व्हाट रेट? इंटरेस्ट एट 15% फॉर 2 months. तो ऑन 16,000 वी नीड टू कैलकुलेट इंटरेस्ट एट 15% फॉर 2 months. 400 इंटरेस्ट आएगा. अक्षय के लिए दैट इंटरेस्ट इज रिसीवेबल, इनकम है. तो एंट्री विल बी विशाल्स अकाउंट डेबिट टू इंटरेस्ट. What will be amount of new bill then? What will be amount of new bill? 16,400. So on 4th of March, he is drawing a new bill. हम उसको नाम दे देते हैं bills receivable new debit 16,400 to Vishal. Bills receivable new account debit 16,400 to Vishal. नेक्स्ट डेट क्या दिया है? 25th मार्च. ऑन 25th मार्च सेकेंड बिल 25,000 वाला बिल वॉज रिटायर्ड. ड्यू डेट देखो सेकेंड बिल का 4th अप्रैल था. 25th मार्च को हमने पे कर दिया, ड्यू डेट से पहले पे कर दिया, इसीलिए 250 का रिबेट मिला है. तो कैश और बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट 24,750. Discount account debit 250. Two bills receivable What will be due date of this new bill? Due date for new bill 4th मार्च को new bill draw किया है for 2 months. तो 4th of May plus 3 days of grace. 7th May is the due date of this new bill. And what happens on this due date of new bill? He is becoming insolvent. मतलब वो new bill honor हो रहा है कि dishonor? Sir, dishonor हो रहा है. तो new bill पहले cancel करेंगे. Vishal again will be made our debtor. Vishal's account debit. Two bills receivable. And how much could be recovered? कितना रिकवर हो सका उससे? 50 पैसा, 50% only could be recovered. तो 8,200 can be recovered. 16,400 का 50%. Remaining amount which could not be recovered is our bad debt. So bad debt debit 8,200 to Vishal's account. $16,400. Correct, sir. Please pause and copy.